Welcome students. In this session, we are going to start our new topic, which is articles. Everybody knows that a and the are the articles, but do you know that which ones are definite and which ones are indefinite articles? The definition of articles, the articles are known as adjectives of quantity, as they show the quantity, either the subject is one or the only one. They are used as determiners before a noun, pronoun, and sometimes adjectives. The definite article is only one, which is the. The indefinite articles are two, which is a and n. Now students, we are going to talk about the definite article the. The definite article the can be a specific determiner used for pointing out singular or plural nouns. They can replace demonstrative articles like this, that, those, these, etc. For example, the sun rises in the east. Students, definite article the can be used as a specific determiner under the following cases. The number one case is when we speak of a particular person or thing or one already referred to. For example, we are looking for the man who lives here. The second case is when we know there is only one of its kind. For example, the moon is very bright tonight. Number third case is when we use a superlative comparison. For example, it is the oldest building in Karachi. The fourth case is when a singular noun represents a whole class. For example, rose is the sweetest smelling flower. The fifth case is when we talk about musical instrument. For example, she learns to play the guitar. The sixth case is when we refer to a system or service. For example, how does it take by the train? The seventh case is when we use an adjective that refers to a group of people. For example, life can be hard for the poor. Students, the definite article the can be used as a proper noun under the following cases. Number one case is if it names a gulf, river, sea, ocean, mountain range or group of islands. For example, Gulf of Kutch, Arabian Sea, Atlantic Ocean. Second case is if it names a proper noun which qualifies by an adjective. For example, Humayun the Great was a Mughal emperor. Number fourth case is if it names a sculpture, a holy book, or a collection of poems or stories. For example, I read the Holy Quran daily. Number fourth case is if it names a family or people of a nation. For example, the Chinese are known for their hard work. Okay students, now we are going to talk about the indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are two, a, n. They are used as general determiners used before singular countable nouns. They are used as general determiners used before singular countable nouns. A is used with a noun beginning with consonant sound. Remember, not consonant, consonant sound. For example, a cat, a toy, a university. University, it is starting with U, which is a vowel, but it sounds U. It sounds like Y, it sounds consonant, that's why we have put a before university. N is used with a noun beginning with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ink pot. Indefinite articles a and n can be used as general determiners under the following cases. Number one case is to speak of a person or thing for the first time. For example, we are looking for a young man. Number second case is to show that the person or thing is one of a group. For example, he is a local resident. Number third case is to say someone is or what job someone does. For example, he is an estate agent. Number fourth case is to say something about all things of that kind. For example, the estate agent facilitates selling and buying of houses. Students, we have learned that in which cases definite and indefinite articles are put in the sentences. Now there are some cases in which the definite and indefinite articles are omitted in the sentences. These cases are as follows. Number one case is before a common noun used in its widest sense. For example, what kind of flower is this? Number second case is before the name of a country. For example, I live in Pakistan. Number third case is before a title or rank used in front of a proper noun. For example, Flight Lieutenant Aisha Farooq is the first woman to achieve fighter pilot in PAF. Fourth case is before the proper name of a person. For example, Basit lives in Karachi. Some more cases in which definite and indefinite articles are omitted are before an abstract noun used in general sense. For example, he is a man of justice and piety. Number 6 case is before names of planets. Earth is the third planet. Mars is the third planet. Number 7 case is before plural noun to denote a class. For example, cats catch mice. 8 case is before names of meals. Names of meals can be breakfast, lunch, dinner. For example, I am going out for dinner. Number 9 case in which the articles are omitted is before names of most diseases. For example, she is suffering from measles. Number 10th case is before an uncountable noun. She has long brown hair. Number 11th case is before names of languages. English is a language spoken widely in the world. Okay student, that's it for this session. In this session, we have learned about the articles. We have learned that the is a definite article, an is an indefinite article. We have also learned the uses of definite and indefinite articles, and we have also learned that where articles are omitted in sentences. That's it for today. Allah Hafiz.